Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise number 1, first problem. Okay, by comparing these two lines, we have to conclude that what type of lines are these, whether they are intersecting lines, whether they are parallel lines, whether they are coincident lines. So here two lines are given for us. 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. So first you compare these two lines. a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Next is a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So these are the two lines are given for us. Now what you do, you calculate the ratio, a1 by a2 ratio and b1 by b2 and c1 by c2. Find out these three ratios. After that we will decide that what type of lines they are. So first here I am finding the ratios. Here a1 value is 5, a2 value is 7. So 5 by 7, and b1 value is minus 4, b2 value is nothing but 6. Okay, you can do simplification. 2 2s are 2 3s are, so minus 2 by 3. After simplification, this is the value of b1 by b2. So what is the value of c1? 8 and minus 9. Okay, so if you observe here the ratios are different. a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, all are different. So here a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2. So therefore, so the given lines are intersecting lines. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, then what is the condition? If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 and not equal to c1 by c2, if two ratios are equal, a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, then they are parallel lines. If all the three are equal, a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then they are called coincident lines. Okay, so when these type of questions, if they are asking about what type of lines these, whether they are intersecting, whether they are parallel, whether they are coincident, first what you have to do, you have to find out the ratios, a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2. If all the three ratios are different, they are called intersecting lines. Okay, if all the three ratios are different, intersecting lines. So if two ratios are equal, that is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, third ratio is not equal, they are called parallel lines. If all the three ratios are equal, they are called coincident lines. Okay. Hi my dear friends, in this video we are going to learn pair of linear equations in two variables. Exercise number 1, first bit, second question. Check whether the given lines are parallel, intersecting and coincident lines. So here two lines are given. first line is 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. Second line is 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. So these are the two lines are given for us. Now we have to conclude that these two lines are intersecting lines, are parallel lines, are coincident lines. So we have to conclude. So now we take the first line here. So here the first line 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. So this is the first line we have. So let it be a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Now we take the second line 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. Let it be a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, now here the a1 value is nothing but 9. Okay, a1 is the coefficient of x, here 9 is the coefficient of x, so the value of a1 is nothing but 9. Here b1 is the coefficient of y and 3 is the coefficient of y, so the value of b1 is nothing but 3. So c1 value is nothing but 12, constant number. So here a2 value is nothing but 18 and b2 value is nothing but 6. Similarly, c2 is nothing but 24. Okay, after that what you have to do, find out the ratios a1 by a2. So here 9 by 18. After simplification, 9 one time, 9 two times, 1 by 2, b1 by b2. So that is 3 by 6 here, cancellation, 3 one time, 3 two times, so 1 by 2. Similarly, you can calculate c1 by c2 also. So what is the value of c1 here? 12 and c2 is 24. Cancellation, 12 one time, 12 two times, so 1 by 2. So if you observe here clearly, all three ratios are equal. 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So all are 1 by 2. So a1 by a2, b1 by b2, c1 by c2, all the three ratios are equal. So when three ratios are equal, we can conclude that the given lines are coincident lines. Okay, when three ratios are different, they are intersecting lines. If three ratios are different, they are intersecting lines. If three ratios are equal, they are coincident lines. Okay, now we will see one more question here. Here is the question: 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Similarly, let the first line as a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. Okay, similarly, you take the second line as a2x and b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. Okay, now compare. What is the value of a1 here? a1 is nothing but 6, b1 is nothing but minus 3, c1 is nothing but 10. Similarly, a2 is nothing but 2 and b2 is nothing but minus 1, c2 is nothing but 9. So now similarly compare the ratios a1 by a2. So what is the value of a1? 6 by a2, 2. Cancellation, 2 one time, 2 3 times. So 3 you will get b1 by b2 minus 3 by minus 1. Minus minus is going to cancel. 3 by 1 is nothing but 3. Last one c1 by c2, that is 10 by 9. So 10 by 9. So any cancellation here? So we can't cancel here. So let it be as it is. So now 10 by 9 remains same ratio. Here I am observing that these two ratios are equal. A1 by A2, B1 by B2 are equal. Third ratio is different. That is A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, but C1 by C2 is not equal. So now these type of lines are called parallel lines. Okay. So first condition, if A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2, if these two ratios are different, we will say that the given lines are intersecting lines. Okay. Second condition, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but not equal to C1 by C2. We say that they are parallel lines. If all the three are equal, they are coincident lines. So this is the way we can conclude that the given three lines are intersecting lines, or parallel lines, or coincident lines. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for regular updates. Share this information with your friends.